Okay, this is the Monday quiz for third grade, week 3 of October, and we're getting into figuring out how to understand equal parts of a whole. As we see here, we have a snowflake, and we can see that it created these natural divides, and we're going to use this cool phenomenon in nature to figure out the equal parts. So we want to select the number of equal parts, and we also want to, what is the name for those equal parts? So if we go around and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there's 6 total parts, and the name for that would be sixths. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, call that sixths. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Next one. Another thing we can see happen in nature, we have a strawberry cut in half, and that's going to be a little bit of a clue. So how many equal parts do we see here? We have a part 1 and a part 2, so that's 2 equal parts. And when you cut something in half, well, the word for that is indeed halves. Okay. So the solutions are 2 and halves. Okay, number of equal parts. So if we look at this, it's really counting how many legs. So if we look out from the center, we have 1, 2. This is very similar to the snowflake we saw a minute ago. And if we look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we want to circle the number of equal parts as well as the name for that, and that would be fifths. Okay, so 5 and fifths. All right. Question 4. This one is a flower. It definitely needed a little bit of help here as we try to identify where these segments come out. As you can see, we follow these lines here. So if we were to count, we just go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a total of 8 parts. We call those, it's a little hard to read here, 8. Just like that. Okay, I think we have about one more here. Now, as we look at this, this is more of a special case, so there may not be equal parts. As we saw over here, all of those were segmented into equal, usually symmetrical parts. This is a special case, a little bit of a trick question. We call these unequal parts. Okay, so they could definitely throw a little bit of a tricky question at you, something like that. Okay, so that's the end of the Monday quiz. Should have been short and sweet. Let me know how you did on that. And have a great day as we finish up Monday quiz solutions for third grade.